cars, limits that nobody else does. Just turn exotics into stunt cars. This was designed to do this.
That Hopper the Fast and Furious, but you ain't Paul Walker.
You know what that is? Can you explain to me what that is?
That's
not.
CO2.
It's
a Murcielago. The engine comes out.
Yeah, engine's gotta come out.
Good morning, you guys. Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotic. I am currently on the back of Mr. C's towing tow truck. Mr. C's towing tow truck. Yeah, that makes sense. Why? Well, because my friend Damon Fryer, the one and only, wanted to buy a very rare manual LP640 Lamborghini Murcielago. With that car has come a few little issues. Thought it was fixed, spent $10,000 in repair. Unfortunately, it's not fixed. There's still problems with it. So I'm gonna rescue it today from PFS, where they've graciously stored it, ship it to Sheepy Race. Designed this in-house. People don't know that.
Damon's vision, and then Brian, our graphics guy. Even though it looks like a Simboss versus Satin, there's a lot of small touches that Damon specifically wanted. The numbers going the right way, the rear wing is certain colors, so it came out insane, man. Everybody wants to do this wrap now, and I don't blame them.
Yeah, super sick. And Damon has a very good eye, he always have, for designing wrap. Alright, here we have the Murcielago and its natural habitat. Back of a f***ing tow truck. Alright, you guys, this bad boy is all ready to go. As you can see, they know what they're doing. They protect the cars. Mr. C's Towing literally tows all of our cars here in Southern California. Do me a favor, show our appreciation. This is a personal request from me to you. Go follow Mr. C's Towing on Instagram. I'll put a link in the description. Tell them, hey, thank you for protecting the DDE family, and more importantly, Damon's Murcielago. I'm thinking actually at this point, either I get a job for them driving, or we buy one of their trucks, because we need it that often. Hi, Murcielago. Bye-bye. Yeah, I'll admit, you guys, that's a sexy car. Raymond's on his way down. The car is finally insured. Today, Raymond's gonna drive his Prius on public streets for the first time. Let's take it to Uber and they have to actually go through it and be like,
Where did they give him the thumbs down?
why would they? You know, like Fast and the Furious? Can they straight pipe this thing? By the way, why the f does this car have a trailer hitch? What are you possibly towing? That must be the ugliest key I've ever seen. All right, cold start. Oh my God, how do I turn the AC off? Hold on. No, off. Okay, that's one beeping solved. Oh, the engine kicked on. Now it's off again. Why is it beeping? Seatbelt. Nope. All right, we got this. It's actually pretty comfortable. I think Raymond's gonna be happy with this. The AC blows cold. It's cheap as hell on fuel. It has 156,000 miles on it, holy shit. It has a brand new engine that Tyler put in.
We need a wing back on first.
We have to do that today. We need to get some nuts.
Duct tape.
Tyler told me there's a few mounting spots. Underneath here, the metal's what you want to put the weight on. Sammy was like, it's not gonna work. Sammy, don't question me.
Sorry.
Are you sorry? Are
I
you
am
sorry
really
or are you
sorry.
sorry?
Yeah! You'll get reversed down for it. Should I go backwards?
No, put it the right way. This is a serious car. Stop messing around.
It's not a joke.
Oh, watch the camera.
Where's the hole?
Okay, lined up.
Wait for it.
Okay.
All right.
Ooh, it's there.
Tighten it up.
I like how they just drilled right into the plastic. Like, what's the worst that could happen? You guys, in the last video, you saw the release of the Squadra Corsa wrap. Today will be the first time I ever drive it. I'm gonna drive it to Sheepy Race, go see my friends, get their Mercy fix, check in on the Huracan, lots of fun stuff. You guys smash the subscribe button, click the link, shopdd.com. Grab yourself a DDE hat, keychain, lanyard, cell phone case, hoodies, lots of stuff still there. And yes, new items dropping very soon, including Squadra Corsa wrap theme merch. That's right, you guys. It's gonna be epic. Back in the Lambo, Raymond's in the Prius. Looking good, man. Guys, loving this PFS wrap. First official drive in the Prius. How you feeling?
I almost got pulled over.
How?
Because I look too damn good in the car.
Oh!
You see what I did there?
honestly, bro, the wing makes the Prius. Wow. Gotta love that Prius life. You can use a little clean, You're up.
Hey, I got a question.
What?
Was you joking about the leaking thing?
Go, just go. You're fine. You're fine. The hardest time getting in here. Oh, bless his soul. So worried that these floppy things might rip the wing off. So we're washing it right now. I got a hand on the exit, on the emergency stop button just to be safe. That's one way to cool off.
Oh, sh.
Good to go. We got the Prius, we got the Ferrari. This is it, you guys. You ready for this?
I like the car.
Thank you, I appreciate that. I like it 430.
Hey, what's the retail on one of those?
What's up, dude? You like the Prius? I really can't describe how good it feels to be back in my car, you guys. This car feels amazing. I'm in love with it. The wrap's insane. I just feel super blessed right now to be able to be in this car ripping right now. I got my homie in the Prius. He's having a good time. Like, this is what it's all about. I've been a car guy since I was very young. Started with Hondas and BMWs. And now I'm legit blessed to drive a Lamborghini. I honestly never thought this would happen. So I'm gonna take a minute and really enjoy the car. Just drive. Hey! I got a new outfit on. Hey, come on, don't look at me. Don't look at the Prius.
What? I mean, it looks cool. It looks like a baby Aventador. It's badass. What are you?
Stealing the show. I'll move out of the way. You guys, we got Johnny back in the vlog. How much attention does that Prius get compared to my rap?
Who doesn't love the Prius? Light carbon footprint. That thing's a giant carbon footprint. Good on gas. Got wheels on it. You never see wheels on a Prius.
Well, I need your help. It has a check engine light just came
I'm
on.
willing to take up gas here. Catalytic efficiency.
Can you delete that?
No, especially on camera.
Can you straight pipe that
can.
car?
You can, but it sounds like bad.
So he was on the freeway and he called me at like 75 saying the car won't go any faster.
What were you trying to? You're trying to keep
No, I wasn't.
in a Prius.
I mean, I wasn't speeding that much. Doing 70, and then like I felt like if I kept on pressing it, it felt like the RPM.
What the hell is that, John?
What do you think of the Prius we bought, Raymond? You love it?
How you doing, buddy?
How are you?
Hi, guys. Holy, it does fit his personality, though.
Does.
Yeah, crazy and insane. I miss you, bro. I haven't seen you in so long.
I've been working.
So what can we do with this though?
Not a
for real?
goddamn thing.
Okay, that was quick. I'm gonna put Sheepy on the side. Built by Sheepy.
Down.
Built by Sheepy.
What do you think of the wrap on the squad? What does it remind you of? The first thing you see, it's like an ink blot at the psychologist.
You know, it looks like a pack of highlighters. I was used to seeing highlighters because all the teachers would highlight all my wrong answers and my days that I missed in school. Yeah.
Why do you guys all drive like all of them?
Oh, I've only been in Prius owning for like 5 seconds.
I don't care. You should have transferred in. As soon as you got in that damn car, you're going slow in the fast lane.
Hey, first of all, I was going fast in the fast lane.
You told me that the car would go faster.
Cut this
Slow
off.
in the fast
I
lane.
see a lot of parts and I see a big pole, so I assume this belongs to Damon Fryer.
Oh yeah, it's a tranny slayer.
Before we go anywhere, for all you guys, see this? This is called the clutch basket. Look at that. You see any holes? Anybody see any holes?
Looks good to me.
Looks good to me. Nice. Nothing blew up. Clutch A and clutch B. The clutch did not blow up. These things are not meant to be doing donuts for 80,000 miles, right? And Damon kind of pushed it. So, whatever, it broke.
Clutch basket, whatever that is, intermediate shaft,
Oh wow, you knew that.
ECU. Yeah, thank you. I actually know a little bit of boot cars. Valve body.
You're good, dude. Been hanging out with Johnny, huh?
Oh, you have no idea, eh? We know it wasn't the clutch that you guys installed, so it's nothing to do with Sheepy. It was all to do with 80,000 kilometers of literally sideways donuts.
For you to kill mechanical parts, you gotta kill that, okay? You gotta get past this to kill this. So if all this is good, and this is breaking, clearly it's just long miles of abuse, heat cycling, as anything, things get warm, cold, lots of miles, and you have this kind of failure. Remember, this will fail before this.
Makes sense.
That's where the cushion
This
is.
is a cushion for the pushing.
Right.
And it was good.
And this is the pushing.
Right.
Pushing to the
So
limit.
then what actually broke then, gentlemen?
The outer bearing. in this cage here. You notice that most of it's like chewed up.
Yes.
And it actually had been humming. So pieces of it let go, went through, and actually jammed the oil pump. This is an oil pump.
The transmission oil pump.
Yeah, when I took it apart, this oil pump comes out of the bottom. It wouldn't spin. I cleaned it up just to see it spin, but if I pull it apart, you could see the teeth are all mangled. Well, this was actually jammed. I mean, all it takes is a couple specs.
Yeah.
Because it's an oil pump.
The
That's what it does.
pretty tight in there, aren't they?
Yeah, this is as tight as they get. That lodged it, and this gear here actually has on the front side of here. I grinded it down just to make sure that there were pins in it, but the pins were gone. It sheared the pins. This went forward and then locked up.
Oh.
That's where he saw that first malfunction. It was chewing into it because it was locking. But as soon as it went forward, that's where all that carnage happened. Oh, so it broke out of the top and then broke out of the bottom. So the holes, like,
oh my God.
There shouldn't be that much of a window.
So David really thing out. Dave destroys everything. Did I do all this? Is this me? Huh? Was that me?
I mean, I heard the Hummer is pretty bad.
Oh, come on.
You guys push these cars
Yes.
to limits that nobody else does. You guys have turned exotics into stunt cars. This was designed to do this.
No.
You know, usually people that do what you guys do have sequential transmissions,
Right.
upgraded differentials, upgraded axles.
Yeah.
That's meant for that kind of stuff.
Right.
I'm actually surprised it lasted this long. And just FYI, forced induction did not cause this. It doesn't matter if it's naturally aspirated, supercharger, turbocharger,
Right.
nitrous. This kind of stuff is just mechanical. It has nothing to
Yeah.
do with the power going through it. Power all affects clutch.
You're
Remember
just
that.
taking your regular running horse to the Kentucky Derby and expecting him to win.
This is like one of those Disney movies now, where he took a car that couldn't and then it could.
It's more like the little toaster and that thing's headed for the crusher and he's like, I was at the Indy 500.
Every bushing, every piece of wire, every hose needs any sort of replacement. No matter what it is, we're just gonna change it. When Damon comes back to stunt harder than ever, got a badass car.
So there you go. The mystery is solved. Raymond's like talking all types of shit. Now we know, right?
Yeah.
It was you splitting the rumors on social media?
Hey, first of all, there's no proof of me doing that.
I heard Raymond's running Popeye's Twitter account with the fire comebacks. What? Are you really running it? Are you running it? That's what I heard.
What's the story with this? Looks like it's brand freaking new.
It is. Car's got 100 miles on it, and the owner decided to twin turbo it, so it's convertible too. So
100 miles, brand new Performante. That's insane.
going straight to boost. Who said turbos aren't reliable?
You should boost the Prius. Can we do turbos on a Prius?
I mean, the only thing you're gonna be boosting is the generator.
Yeah.
How about we just get you one of those electric turbos
All I heard was turbos.
and a keychain with the turbo on it.
So 2 turbos? That's like twin turbos?
Twin turbo. I'm
Twin turbo.
pushing my good friend Raymond to start his own YouTube channel using the Prius as the star.
Really?
And we're doing some training today. So yeah, this is your first training on DD's dime. Here's the company business credit card. I'll cover the numbers up on that one. Grab some drinks for everybody. Take the Prius and take the camera and try to see if you can, bring the audience with you on this experience. You guys,
You guys ready?
you're in Raymond's hands now.
You, sir.
Oh, he's going for the 5-star. You gotta put the hand right here.
The car. Hey, Kev, since I got this Prius, I'm gonna teach you what Damon taught me. Put your foot down and go! Speed. You're not that fast. Okay. All right, Kev. We got what we need for Johnny?
Yeah,
We got the chips, obviously, for these children.
Kevin Bacon.
I see what you did there. I see what you did there. Since Damon's not here, you got the dad jokes today, huh?
Isn't that car from the Fast and Furious? But you ain't Paul Walker.
First of all, he loaned me the car. He sold it to me. See this right here, sir? You see what that is? You know what that is? Can you explain to me what that is? That's NOS.
That's
That's NOS.
CO2.
If you want to race, Tyler from Movies Garage.
Okay.
And he ended up putting a NOS kit in it. He pressed the red button. The engine just went. It completely exploded.
Oh, no way.
100, yeah, 100%. Tell me the truth. Do you really like it?
I think it looks dope.
You're an honest friend. That's an honest friend right there.
I do.
That's
I think it looks dope.
That's an honest friend.
That's about as good as a Prius can look right there.
Aren't you Raymond from DDE?
Hold on. First of all, you actually noticed me. Was it the car?
Yep, it was the car as soon as I
mean-
pulled up. Dude, I don't like Priuses, but man,
You like this one?
I'll drive this.
Hey, I'm starting up my channel real soon. I need you to subscribe to my channel
Oh, dude,
because I'm out here and I'm gonna give rides to anybody who wants to go on a Fast and Furious tour. Are you gonna be my first person?
Oh, I'm down, bro. So down.
Done deal. Done deal. It's already a done deal. Thank you for everything, man. Thank you for supporting our channel. I'm gonna do it like Damon taught me. Just go. Good?
You spent some time on this off camera. I don't want to get in his way because he's had a long day. It's literally Friday at 7 o'clock.
Took it for a drive and did have a little bit of a stalling issue. I pinpointed that coil number 10. If you look in the valley there.
Yeah, so there's a coil pack.
7's easy to reach. 8, 9, and 10 are all under the throttle bodies.
Wait. It's a Murcielago. The engine comes out.
Yeah, engine's gotta come out.
Seriously? No. Okay. Well, we've been surprised 3 times since December this engine's been out.
What's wrong with this junk? Didn't you guys just pay all kinds of money to fix it?
What can we do to make this car bulletproof? Does that exist in this?
No, it's a Murcielago, first off. Like I was explaining to him.
Hey, that's his favorite words. I need the most reliable cars I can beat on 10 hours a day, bounce off the rev limiter, and still never break.
I want 2,000 horsepower, reliable, good on fuel. I want back seats for my kids.
Have you seen the Prius?
Oh, found Damon in a new car.
It's the same model they used to have at house parties. I don't know what they were doing with that stuff at the house parties, but
Johnny, I thought you said you're not doing that no more.
I mean,
I thought you said you was done with that.
you know what, man? Like I gave up that life for this life.
That's the verdict. The Mercy needs coil plugs. It costs about $1,000. For this car, it's not bad.
Juan Pablo.
Juan Pablo.
Hi, ¿cómo estás?
He freaked out
English.
because he
Oh,
thought
you
the
speak
cat
English?
got out and the cat was just in a
Oh, I
box.
was pissed. I came out. I said,
I would've been mad too.
whoever let my cat out's fired.
Guys, Mercy has a plan. When will it be ready for Damon Fryer?
Well, it'll never be fully ready for
I realize that this is the first time they've been in the same spot together with the wrap on the new Squadra here. They look bad together.
loud.
Hey, like look at these cars together.
This car just looks like it's gonna run a track.
I love this car. All right, guys, that's it for this episode of Daily Driven Exotic. Smash the subscribe button and head to shop.dd.com for all your DD merch needs. I'll see you guys tomorrow at 6 a.m. Peace.